I need to bring you up to speed. I already have connected what I thought are the lighters. I mean, the 12 volt outputs. There were two ends on the side. So what I did, I kind of hacked my way in like this. I did some weird connection. It's very secure. I tested everything with my multimeter, and right now I'm trying to remove this little metal base so this can go in there, and I can go connect this like this. So, and then I can put the sides, those two panels, and I think this part will be pretty much done at this moment. So I'm having difficulty removing this. I got my trusty dies, so I'm working on removing this metal plate. So I can leave clear where the holes where these things go in, and then secure that down there and put the panels. So far, so good. Okay. Whew. Okay, one down. Let's just drop it there. Let's remove the other one. Okay, let's put this thing there. And this one there. Okay. Okay. Metal plate, bolt. Whew. There. Don't need that. Now this. Put it in here. Push it in. Perfect. Now we need bolts for that one and that other side. And a little cleaning, and then I need to find a cover for this. Okay, I found two bolts. You can see them. There's one. There's the other one. I didn't have to tight them, using my hands. That's all. All right, let's hope it works. I'm gonna push it in. Okay, you're gonna say, man, this guy's putting all the crap in there. Well, I'm just finding solutions to the problems. That's what I'm doing. Okay. I'm not that kind of guy that buy, wait. I'm just putting all this stuff as I go. Okay, so first you insert the front like that. There you go. They snap in. Then the two in the rear. And really, that one, did I just kind of try to guess? Not really that important. Could flap. Trying to find a hole. Oh, it's right there. There you go. Nah, it's not holding. So I'm gonna leave it like that for the moment. It's not a good seal. This part is now, it's almost cover that I need on the other side. This one just goes in. I'm gonna look for it later. And okay, so let's do the front. Okay, something to snap. Okay. There you go. Now let's do this other one. So removing the camera up a little bit. There you go. And all right. So there you go. We have the connected. It's wired. Now I need to. But this is the other side now. This is the other side, and it looks good. So yeah, I didn't show you when I didn't have anything to test it with. I'm gonna test it with this. I don't have anything else. I'm gonna test it with this. As you can see, I'm just gonna plug it in there. There you go. See, hello. Yep, it's working. All right. Okay, this part is done. Just finished. I'm gonna clean it a little bit, and I will call it a day as far as working here.